Good afternoon to all. I am Nilesh Kashyap and I am here to discuss the problems and their management. There is basically two main problems in India. In India, there is two reasons why farmers are not using modern equipment. First, they are not aware about it, and second, they can't afford such equipment. And if some farmers can afford the equipment, but there is the unavailability of electricity 24 into 7 in the village area. Now come to the second problem, poor irrigation facilities. We have seen in the chart that most of the crop is doomed due to drought or excess moisture. In both cases, one thing is common is rain. In the first case, due to less rain, and in the second case, due to excessive rainfall. The crop gets spoiled. Our project will solve both these problems. When it rains more, it will absorb the extra water, and when it rains less, it will take the absorbed water to maintain the moisture. We can see in this picture how the farmers is facing the problem due to lack of modern equipment and poor irrigation facilities. And now my friend Anshu will be continuing.
Thank you, Nilesh. Hello, guys. I am Anshu. Here to discuss what is the role of sensor in this model. Firstly, we're saying about sensor. A sensor is a device that detects the change in the environment and respond to some output on the other system. It converts a physical phenomena into a measurable analog voltage converted into a human readable display. In this model, we use two type of sensor. First one is water level sensor and second one is soil humidity sensor. Uh, Soil humidity sensor. The soil humidity sensor uses capacitance to measure dielectric permittivity of the surrounding medium. In soil, dielectric permittivity is a function of the water content. The sensor creates a voltage proportional to the dielectric permittivity and therefore the water content of the soil. Second one is a water level sensor. The sensor that we use in this project is Arduino compatibility and works on the basis of the resistance measurement. In the sensor, which is one of the most widely used for detecting the liquid level. By fixing the water level sensor liquid container, the variable resistance sets on a specific value based on the water level. The sensor measure this analog registers and send it a Arduino. Uh, Now I would like to Prabhat to continue further presentation.
Thank you, Anshu. I am Prabhat Kumar here to explain about a smart irrigation model. It is the combination of an advanced technology of sprinklers with nozzle that improve coverage and irrigation control that are watering and water conservation system that monitor moisture related condition on your property and automatically adjust watering to optimal level. Now we explain the working of a smart irrigation model. It collects information from sensor and send predefined user order to actuator that make the water sprinkler to go off. The data is collected by moisture sensors. A user define the moistures and temperature range. We also adjusting the triggers if your garden looking thirsty or waterlogged. For example, when it rains, the smart irrigation control will reduce or turn off your irrigation to save your water. Thank you. Now from here, Roshan Kumar will continue.
Hi guys, I am Roshan Kumar here to explain the diagrammatic explanation of our project. Our project basically comprises of the different techniques such as water level sensors, soil level sensors, which were explained by Kumar Pandey, and the irrigation pipe and the smart irrigation system, which were explained by Prabhat Kumar. I am here to explain the automated plugging system and the automated rain covering shield. The automated rain covering shield and the automated plugging system are one of the two basic components. Now let us see the rainwater covering shield. The rainwater covering shield will will operate automatically when the water level sensor will sense the level of water more than the required, and it will automatically cover up the whole farm during the heavy rains. This will protect the farms. Now automated plugging system. Mm, this is the automated plugging system which will not just help the farmers to get more effective on the field but also get them with the help of artificial intelligence and machine learning to have a keen eye and keep hold on the farming techniques. By keeping the hold on the farming techniques, we can also make the farming more productive. Now, let us have the conclusion. Um, but before that, let us see what are the current solutions available. There are no such solutions available for the farming. They use different tools such for blocking tractors for irrigation, sprinklers, weather, other predict with the water supply. None of the sensors of the purpose on the farming in our new nation, but no world we know about the advanced farming techniques and advanced sensors systems on the field. We are going to bring it out on the field to make it more efficient, and rather than that to make it more comfortable. These are the advantages and disadvantages of our project. As it is said, one who knows the advantages and disadvantages, the project is the most successful one. Advantages are we can make the farming more effective and productive with the help of artificial intelligence and machine learning, to make it more easier with the farms. And the disadvantages is this might be the problem. There might be the problem on the power and challenges to keep it budget friendly within 25 to 35,000. These were the advantages and disadvantages which we got throughout our project. Rather than that, we can have more advantages, as the introduction of AI and ML will give a new study in the field of agro industry. Now let us have conclusion. At conclusion, I would like to conclude that the smart farming technology will bring a revolution in the field of agriculture industry if we get the success in our project. Till yet, we have completed the automated logging system and the verification of it. It's a profitable access to the farmers and more productive if we have the suit of our industries providing environmental friendly techniques to enhance the farming, and rather than that to make it more comfortable and easier. Thank you.
Guys, this is the automated plugging system. As you can see here, uh, this is basically based on Arduino compilation technology and CRT. You will see here we have used 3x2 solid cables of metals to prevent the ear action and to also hold up the plugging mechanism. Here it seems quite far above from the land, but actually when it will be implemented, you will find it out that it's not as far as it looks like, because some of the portion of the mechanism will be inside the ground for an output, while this is basically connected to a beaded box uh, that have the Arduino composers, and it is basically used to put up the chips inside the Arduino to keep it safe. I would also like to say that the mechanism will be mounted on the box